In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your retainer hours in the Invoices section. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to look to see how many retainer hours have been used, how many are still available, and over what period those hours were tracked. This is helpful for staying on budget, planning upcoming work, and catching any potential overages before they become a surprise. Start on your billing or finance area and open the Invoices section. This is where all billing-related tools typically live, so it's the most direct path to your retainer information. Once you're in Invoices, look for the Retainers option and select it. This view is dedicated to ongoing agreements and makes it easy to focus only on retainers without the noise of one-off invoices. From the list that appears, click your specific retainer. If you manage multiple retainers, choose the one you want to review today. Opening the retainer takes you to a detailed page with the information tied to that agreement. Now scroll down to the Hours Logged section. This is the key area for tracking usage. It consolidates the time entries that have been applied to the retainer and summarizes them in a clear snapshot. You'll see 3 important details here: hours used, remaining hours, and a date range. Hours used shows the total number of billable hours that have been applied to this retainer within the selected timeframe. This tells you how much work has been consumed so far. Remaining hours indicates how many hours are still available to use before you hit the retainer's limit. If this number is getting low, it's a good signal to plan carefully or talk about adding more time. The date range defines the window you're viewing, such as the current billing cycle or a custom period. Adjusting the date range helps you answer questions like, how much did we use this month, versus, how much have we used this quarter? If you need clearer context, match the date range to your billing cycle so the numbers align with your invoices. Keep in mind that time entries may appear only after they've been submitted and approved, depending on your team's workflow. If something looks off, try refreshing the page or confirming that you're viewing the correct retainer. That's it. By going to Invoices, selecting Retainers, opening your retainer, and scrolling to Hours Logged, you can immediately see the hours used, the remaining balance, and the relevant date range, so you always know exactly how much of the retainer has been used.